Hello, this tutorial will help you feel comfortable using the LERN Courseware for your online course. If you're accessing this tutorial from within your course, great! You've already figured out how to create a LERN account and find your course. If you're a first-time LERN student, check your email inbox to find an invitation from teacher@yougotclass.org. That message contains instructions for how to set up a LERN account so you can access your course. Do that first before going further in this tutorial. When you have a LERN account, whenever you navigate to www.yougotclass.org, you'll see the You Got Class landing page along with your name in the upper right corner. From here, you can click on Log Out whenever you're finished working in your course. Let me go ahead and log into my account so that you can see an example of this. Okay. Now that I'm logged in, notice a personalized welcome delivered in the upper right corner. Now you can click on My Account. On this page, you can change your password anytime you like, or you can enter the Change Personal Information area to fill in details so your instructor and classmates can contact you. Now, click on the green Enter Class button next to the course you're taking. As an example, I will click on Designing Online Instruction for July 2019. When you first log into the classroom, you'll be taken to the Welcome page. This screen will automatically change each Monday on the date of the new unit. When you click on the Agenda tab, you'll see a list of what is happening for each unit. This is where you can also access all the units by scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page. Next, you'll see the Presentations tab. This is where you'll access all unit presentations with slides and audio. For some presentations, you will see accompanying speaker notes or transcriptions, such as the case with course planning and management. If a presentation does not have an accompanying transcript, a closed caption option is most likely provided. On the Discussions page, you'll complete the introduction and have access to other discussions for each unit. Instructors will post questions for each unit in this area. You can click on any of the green discussion hyperlinks to access the discussion board forum. As an example, I will click on About Unit 1 under Unit Week 1 Course Planning and Management. Once inside the discussion forum, you can click on the green New Message button to start a thread, and the green Reply button to respond to a classmate's post or your instructor's post. When you click on Readings, you'll find links to any required or supplemental articles added to the course by your instructor. In this example, readings are grouped according to corresponding weeks or units. The course schedule and weekly assignments overviews also explain which readings you should be doing and when. Let your instructor know if you have problems accessing any of this material. Self-quizzes help you check your understanding of the course material, including readings, lecture notes, and videos. Your instructor may leave quizzes open for the duration of the course so you can use them for additional review. In general, you should complete the assigned quiz after finishing all of the readings, presentations, and discussions for that week or unit. You have multiple opportunities to earn a passing score for each quiz. You can click on any green attempt link to view prior attempts you made. You can also select the Start Quiz button to make a new attempt. Be sure to visit the grad credit info area of the course if you are working toward becoming a certified online instructor or taking this session for graduate credit. This is where your instructor will list minimum performance expectations and whether there are any extra assignments you need to complete. There also may be a link for registering and earning extra graduate credits through the University of South Dakota if you are enrolled in that program. If you aren't sure, contact your instructor or your home institution. When you run into questions or problems, your first stop should be the Frequently Asked Questions or FAQs area of the course. Here you will find answers to common questions that previous students have asked about the course. You'll also find common answers to questions dealing with the You Got Class courseware and how the instructor manages the classroom, such as when modules are made available and the best ways to communicate with them. If you don't find the answer you need in FAQs, you can email your instructor or use the problems link that will be explained later in this tutorial. Let's talk about the Participants tab. When you click on Participants, you'll see a list of other students, instructors, and administrators in your course. You can click on any name listed in green to find important information like contact emails and phone numbers. Let's go to Problems. If you encounter any difficulties using the online classroom, help is just a couple clicks away. Choose Problems to write a quick message to technical support. Be sure to click on the green Submit button, and once you do that, you'll receive a reply via email, usually within a day. Your instructor may have added some special content to customize the basic LERN classroom for your course. You may need to use this information to complete assignments or to apply what you've learned in your own online classrooms. For instance, this example classroom has a Toolkit area. Clicking on Toolkit displays a list of additional resources such as samples, templates, and a glossary of terms. Well, this concludes the courseware tutorial. Be sure to explore all the areas in your LERN online classroom, then ask your instructor or use the Problems link if you have questions about how to use any of the content you find there.